Hi everybody. The next search app we're going to learn about is in our history LibGuides. You have to scroll down a little ways till you see this little red box for our issues and controversies in American history. Notice this is a little search app window right here, and today I'm interested in the topic of the Salem witch trials. So I can simply click on that particular search window, and then I will be prompted right into the issues and controversies site. Notice that I can search with a simple window over here. I can go to the subject index, so I could decide I want to know more about society and social issues, for example, and then it will list all the subject indexes there. All right, and there was my Salem witch trials issue, and I could pick a topic from right there. I could also use the era index and decide on the period of history that I wanted to search as well. So these two indexes are just shortcuts to getting to the topics from the time period. So I could pick any of my topics there, or I could simply choose from the list on the side. So I'm going to go to, let's look at westward expansion instead of my witchcraft trial topic. So I'm going to look at all of the different things involved with that time period. So I'm particularly interested in the California Gold Rush. So when you finally select any of the issues that interest you, it's always set up the same way. It will give you the main issue. It will tell you that here's the full article. First it tells you the issue, the background, and then the case for and the case against. So here's the background, and then it gets into the cases for and against at the bottom. But what I wanted to point out to you is that the first little box at the top gives you the issue and gives you the main arguments for something and the main arguments against it. That is incredibly helpful in that these short paragraphs can help you get a grasp of what the argument was about in this issue to begin with. And then for each topic, it gives you a timeline of the event. And then it will also link to primary sources. So these are all the actual primary sources that we could take a look at if we wanted to. So we'll go to Captain Sutter's account of the discovery of gold, and there it gives us a little intro, but then it gives the primary source document right there. And then there's also a learn more about, where it will give you links to other websites and information that will expand your knowledge about the topic you have picked. And so this is an incredibly helpful way to very quickly get a grip on issues and controversies in American history. Notice that you can also print, you could email the article to yourself, you can get the citation to copy, and notice you can also have the article read aloud to you as well. So that is Issues and Controversies in American History.